Hi, I'm Hunter with Motivx Tools.
And this is Gabe.
And we're here to introduce our new 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive master socket and ratchet sets. Our new sockets include our advanced grip system, which have three main benefits. The first one is that they provide a better grip.
The second key benefit that the ridges provide would be easy identification of the drive size. 1/4 inch will have 2 ridges, 3/8 drive will have 3 ridges, and the 1/2 inch drive will have 4 ridges.
The third benefit that the advanced grip system offers is that the ridges help prevent the sockets from rolling away.
Each of our master sets will include multiple extensions, which incorporate the advanced grip system as well as a faceted surface. The faceted surface allows you to use a tool when extra leverage is required.
Our new 1/4 inch master set includes a T-handle, which has a couple of unique features. The first feature is it has a faceted design, somewhat like the extensions, to prevent the head from rotating. It also has hidden end stops, which means that the head can go all the way to the end. It will operate better in tight clearance areas. It also features a ball detent that helps center the head on the handle.
Each of our master sets will also include our spring-loaded universal joint. The spring-loaded joint includes 2 heavy-duty springs in the body, which makes easy one-handed operation when getting to those tight-to-reach areas.
Our new 1/4 inch master set also includes a 1/4 inch bit driver that allows you to use your 1/4 inch ratchet with any standard hex bit. The 1/4 inch master set includes an adapter that allows you to use your 1/4 inch ratchet on 3/8 inch sockets.
Included with our master sets is our advanced dual Pawl ratchet. Our advanced dual Pawl ratchet has 72 teeth, and unlike other 72 tooth ratchets, our swing angle is 2.5 degrees as opposed to 5 degrees, which allows you to work in tight clearance areas.
There's some additional benefits to our Motivx Tools master sets. The first is that they include a limited lifetime warranty. The second benefit are these unique custom fit foam inserts that we manufacture here in our Washington State facility. They're CNC machined, and we use a laser to put the size labels on here so you know exactly where the sockets go. Because we care about quality, we visually inspect every set before we package to ship it out.
All right, for Garage members, now through May 31st, you can use the promo code SOCKET when purchasing the 1/4 inch set to save 35% off, which will put you at $25.96, which is a fantastic price for this new set we've got for you.
And if you buy our 1/4 inch master set before May 31st, you're entered to win one of 5 of our new 3/8 drive sets, which will be available shortly.
Our master sets will also include our advanced dual Pawl ratchet. Our advanced dual Pawl ratchet has 72 teeth.
Yes, it does. The ridges also prevent the sockets from rolling, especially the 10mm, which likes to roll away.
Is it allows you to use the universal joint in situations where other universal joints would just fall limp to one side. The socket is held easily in place with the tension of the spring, no matter what you do, how much you shake it. I was trying to think of what you liked about it. No. What's the word I'm looking for? Hold on.
2.5
No.
degrees.
We
Swing angle.
Like accomplish, because of our tool ball design, we
our Ratchet has a minimal 2.5.
It's in real quick. Here, watch.
Okay, good.
Which gives you better finger tightening torque when using it. The universal joint with the spring assist could steal the show all on its own.
And we securely pack them so they don't do something they're not supposed to. The third benefit of the advanced grip system is that they help prevent the sockets from rolling away.
Included with our master sets will be numerous extensions.
How numerous are there? Okay.
Each of our master sets will include a series of extensions. All right, so wait a second, let's talk about this.
What am I doing?